Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check if someone is currently online in Viber. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open the Viber app on your phone and you'll land on your main chat list. This is where all your conversations are displayed, showing you everyone you've been messaging with recently. Take a moment to scroll through this list if needed to find the person whose online status you want to check. Once you've located the chat, go ahead and tap on the conversation with that specific person. This will open up your full message thread with them, allowing you to see your chat history and, more importantly, their current status information at the top of the screen. Now direct your attention to the very top of the chat window. You'll notice their name displayed prominently there, which is standard for most messaging apps. However, what's really useful is the information that appears directly underneath their name. This area shows you their current activity status in real time. If the person is actively using Viber at that moment, you'll see the word online displayed right under their name. This indicates that they're currently in the app and available to receive and respond to messages immediately. It's a straightforward indicator that lets you know they're accessible for real-time conversation. On the other hand, if they're not currently active, you'll see a timestamp instead. For example, it might display something like last seen 30 minutes ago or last seen yesterday. This information tells you exactly when they were last active on Viber, giving you context about their availability and helping you decide whether to send a message now or wait until they're back online. And that's all there is to it. You now know exactly how to check someone's online status in Viber using the simple status indicator right at the top of your chat. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.